Okay, listen.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I know Shrill from somewhere. He's not that good.
Did you hear?
He tells very easily, so like.
I'll just
Same.
hack him on cooldown.
Yeah.
I think on this map, we expect them to go ball. So just, I think this is gonna be about the rotations, keeping the high ground, and like,
Yeah.
not letting them get to us easily.
Yeah, I think just play on high ground as a base. If they go Vikings, just literally vibe up here. If they go high ground, is we for back point.
What's
I play,
Vikings? This?
Yeah, we have basically 3 high grounds to play with, so you can rotate between them as the enemies try to chase you.
Just
What's Vikings?
do
This
real.
down here.
No,
Okay, okay.
yeah, Vikings is over on the right.
Is everyone
why is
a
it
third
cool?
profile on
Why
the
is
team?
Vikings.
Well, and
Just-
Trav, you're
Yeah?
the slowest to rotate because you have no movement.
Have a nice day. Oh, my
So-
apple.
You're the earliest to leave as well.
Just dip
Okay.
like super early.
Yeah, play it really slow though. Call out call out where they go, and we'll try to disrupt the rotation so Spazy can get some energy and Vince can hit some headshots. Because I know.
Like, how early do I
Yeah,
go?
I
go
can hear
here.
Ryan. I can hear Ryan.
What a surprise.
Like-
I'm gonna go here.
Yeah, probably.
But how early we talking?
Yeah, and
But high
then
key-
once they
if-
chase you, you go here.
If they go like right there, like once they're like there-ish. If you see my bullet trace.
I'm
Yeah,
marking it. Hold up.
They run rush. I hear Ryan May.
Why did you have
Yeah.
to mark it?
Let's go, boys.
The spray disappeared.
You just sprayed again.
Oh, my bad.
What if they're ready up now?
Then I'm ruined. Have fun. Thank you. Yeah, just put all your sprays there.
Yeah. Double monkey.
Teabag the monkey.
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 Yo, you know the meme? Like, it's not that hot. Okay, listen.
Oh, that's
It's not
hard.
that. It's not that hot. It.
Show me how you like it.
It what? I don't hear anything.
That means you're hot. 'Cause you're an Ash.
I hate it.
Not again.
Oh,
I'm sorry, Pihkal. I've been doing this the whole day.
Yeah.
They bully me here. They make me come
I'm
to
quite
scrims.
glad my team disbanded before you got to try out.
No, I wouldn't have been that. I would have been normal in the first day.
Yeah, you would like actually act sane.
I say this stuff before. So I don't have a clog comms, so that's cringe.
Nah, he actually never does.
I used to quite a lot, but no, I just didn't.
I do sometimes.
I used to clock comms as well.
I say things like huge grav when I shouldn't really do that.
I usually just be like, "Yo, you're
It's fun.
crazy."
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Dude, crap.
I'm so addicted to spraying.
Crab is still the definition of clocking comms, dude.
Nah.
True.
What?
Wrong.
Dude, don't ever tell me Crab is
Spazy,
not the
Spazy,
one.
Spazy.
Man.
Come here.
What?
Why are they not ready up? They sound like they're ready.
Yo, juice, Spazy.
Especially
Why?
reason.
I'm crying. Why did I get like 2 eyes? Where did that come from?
This
Oh,
apple's
God.
good, man.
Why did I get like?
We have readied up, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why did I
No,
get tears in my
It
eyes?
says right there.
Yeah, but like maybe if we changed the teams or some shit, we didn't.
No, I
Like-
sprayed.
Okay, good.
Keep your guys spray there, please.
All right, drop it, everyone, drop it.
Hmm.
Attackers incoming.
They go main. Okay, they run double bubble with pharmacy.
Yeah,
Okay.
boy.
Ah, Farah. My favorites.
Should we play just above point? I think.
I'm too low.
Yeah, play
Yeah.
above point.
Oh, mercy, no.
Wait.
I said that.
Just walk
Oh,
up.
I tried to go back.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Tracer Logan, watch out.
I'm jumping
going
on
back.
monkey.
I said that fell off. But yeah.
Monkey's one.
Yo, jump
Frost
again.
was one too. Oh,
Pihkal.
let's jump off.
Tracer until
Monkey diff.
Oh,
So
that's
close. We're
8.
close to Anna Monkey.
I just wasted an 8. It was good, man.
Yeah, a little bit. Don't worry.
I
But
think
it's
we're gonna
fine.
farm Nano.
I'm just gonna play close here, I think, and jump.
Oh,
just
that's
jump
not
back.
good. I got booped.
That's fine. Just
Fuck.
back to point. Back to point. Pick
Yeah,
up back to
coming
point. He's chasing. He's chasing.
Monkey, monkey,
chasing.
monkey.
Monkey half.
Far one.
Oh my bad.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah.
Nice, we win this, we win this. Call side, call
Monkey the
side.
jump, monkey the jump, monkey. Okay, they use the bubble.
Keep Spazy alive, Spazy one, Spazy one.
Yeah, I can't
I'm
see.
trying.
I'm counter jumping monkey.
The monkey's on me.
Monkey one. I actually won.
Zara?
Is it winnable?
At 1 point.
No, I don't think.
No, it's not.
Diva here. Do you think Diva would work here? I'm
Bob
not
is on,
just-
so we can in theory stall a bit.
I think
Keep
Zarya.
Zarya, swap Sombra to Tracer. And swap
Sure,
to Brig.
I'm close to EMP though.
Yeah, I
wait.
think we keep
After
his
all.
EMP. Okay, we all go get spawn.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Tracer's flanking with Mercy. Fuck, my
Hold
chest.
top.
Nano monkey.
Monkey no jump, no bubble.
Monkey no sleep and no sleep either.
Oh, my bad.
Tracer.
Alright, I found my EMP.
Did we just use both all our resources on
Yep.
Vincent?
Yep.
Monkey one
Oh,
Omega. Some fucking Tracer one Omega.
That's the name of the game.
fuck.
Tracer one.
And
Tracer one.
Spazy.
I don't know why I chased her that long.
Okay, we can push them.
yeah,
We have the
Spazy.
advantage. Just go in.
Yeah, yeah,
Get the fuck
I'm dropping to point.
Echo.
I wanna
Zarya.
feel.
Monkey, behind you.
Monkey's half.
Turning around. Nice EMP.
Going.
The widow.
Yeah,
I'm going
Spazy, you
Ash.
need to learn to not do that.
We're top right?
What do you need to learn how to do?
In spawn.
Me and you.
Me and you, yeah.
No, use nano and bubble. My bad.
So I,
No,
that's
no,
on
my
me.
bad, my bad. No.
I'm swapping. Tracer.
Taking some poke. They have primal and
What is
thingy.
that?
Oh, nice. Monkey's jumping me, I'm fine.
They're
There is.
rezzing.
Oh, they rezzed. My bad.
just jump.
Jumping
He's out,
away. Oh.
Yeah, nice jump.
Oh,
No.
fuck shit. Right
Just
there.
chill. Monkey. Mercy pushing. She's looking for Glock.
Winnable. We just play slow.
Nice.
Tracer's
She's looking for
low.
Glock. What is she doing?
Must you sleep?
Oh,
Nice.
Three,
Oh,
two, one.
You got bubbled. My bad.
Tracer behind you.
Tracer's
Just
taking.
low. Tracer Rico. Monkey. It's rumbling again. I'm on monkey.
He's half. He's low.
Monkey's one.
I'm pushing
chasing,
point. I'll grab
chasing.
point. I'm grabbing point.
Monkey dead.
Sorry,
Sorry.
Oh, that widow's
She only
alive.
grabbed me,
Widow's
she only
high
grabbed me.
ground.
There's a behind you still.
Mercy. Synex. We need Synex.
No,
Actually,
nade.
Someone. Fire no bubble.
That's nice. Heavy feeding.
I'll try some point.
All the Cyrus play mad cocky, so don't worry about it.
I'm going with a.
The Widow's one, or like she was at least a second ago. Nice.
Yes, give me
we'll
energy.
have Valk, Nano.
Pulse.
No, they use Pulse.
Yeah.
Monkey. Alright.
And Monkey, I think they have
Bubble.
hammer.
Bubble wrong target.
Monkey dead.
Fine.
Spazy, tell me when you have
Don't feed
bubble.
it, don't feed it,
Tracer,
don't
no,
feed it.
Tracer.
Bubble and 5.
Okay.
The Cree.
Wait, why do you out?
Pulse one, Spazy, okay?
Nice
Huh?
balls.
She has
Oh,
pulse
okay.
one.
Use bubbles,
I
use
can nano if
Yeah, they
needed.
use bubble. We can go in, honestly.
You
I
ball?
think I wanna jump
Yeah,
over.
I do.
It's Bob.
But I like cannot see you, man.
That's fine.
If you miss bubbles, Spazy, tell me very fast.
Don't worry.
I cannot speak that fast, sorry.
Monkey
I
and
thought you were on the stairs.
Nice, Bob.
C99.
Nice to. Oh yeah. I'll get
That's
it.
not really a C9 if we already know it and we just do it.
We just allow it, it's fine.
Oh, synced recall.
They switch Mercy to
He's
Drake.
one.
Why are
Literally
you
one.
chasing? Why are you chasing?
Because I'm the hunter. She's
Borderless
literally
win
one.
now.
I'm the hunter.
So we'll have Nano, Grave, Pulse.
What's
On
the thing?
ball.
Oh, I fell
Spazy,
off.
tell me if you
Full
have
dead,
bubbles.
one.
Full dead.
Okay.
Jumping top
Spazy,
right.
you have bubbles, Spazy?
Yep. But
How many don't?
I'm calling when I use.
We can nano monkey.
I'll probably
Tracer
bubble.
was-
Tracer's card, Tracer's
Sounds
low.
payload, yeah. Can you nano me?
Yeah, we need to
Yeah.
nano here.
Yeah, we need to go in. A bunch of people are distracted on
I
the
have no
right.
bubble, I have no bubble.
We get this. Call
Okay.
target.
Big one? Oh, I did.
Didn't get primal off.
Zara low.
It's only personal.
Tracer's
Pulse one
taking
coming.
behind.
I got her.
Nice.
fed. She fed. I'm holding point.
I'm good over
You
here.
make that?
I think I can. Doesn't matter. I'll just walk back up.
Smile.
I can bob again.
I'm gonna hold
I
to
can't
right.
see.
We can
Emil.
grab.
I'm
Nice
using
balls.
early bubble. I'm
Nice.
using early bubble.
Sure. I'm dropping sample trace.
and Dragons.
Are we going
On break.
main or?
There's a low ground. Main.
I fell. I'm coming.
Yo, can I grab them? Can I? Are you ready?
Zan the self. Zan the self.
Point, bull, nanoed.
Sorry. Nice.
I did one
Oh.
points. Pressure inside somewhere.
You touches.
Trace on the left.
Inside.
Call target, keep calling.
Just
One
watch
high
out.
gun is one. One high gun is one.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice one.
Well played.
Foggers.
Oh, I love apples.
Dude, this is.
Meanwhile.
I like apples.
Kid, can we talk about green apples and red apples?
I like
red
green
apples
apples.
better.
Red are better.
Red.
Red are
Yeah.
better, right?
agree.
That's so much better.
Green is just too sour.
I love
Oh.
sour things.
Talking
Yeah, we
about
get the
something
square.
sour. Can we talk about something sour? The hit scan, dude. Whoo, he got fucked so many times. Either me or Vince just clapped him.
Vince, we don't have to break the man's poor mentality.
Huh?
The best
The
one.
po- yeah, I don't like breaking people's mentality.
I do, and
not
wait
idiots,
all the
so-
time.
He doesn't. His mental's not being broken because he doesn't know we're talking shit.
I've never had a mental broken. I'll be back.
Yeah, my mental's unbreakable.
Dude. I don't know what to say.
I'm looking for my last Spotify playlist. I'm just looking how like bad it's become.
I am looking respectfully.
Dude. It's all like K-pop now.
That's understandable, honestly. I
Do you
respect
like
that.
K-pop?
I don't dislike it.
I don't really hate it either, but like it's not my style of music.
It's
Alright,
alright.
are
I
we
don't
ready to
listen
go?
to it, but it's
No, we're
Oh.
missing someone.
kind of
Okay.
catchy.
It is sometimes, but like
Huh?
I normally listen to songs I can sing along to.
Oh, they're ready. Let's go.
We're not ready. We're not
Yeah,
ready.
true. Yes, same. Oh, okay.
We
Okay, I
need
need
our-
pause. I need pause in like 12 minutes. Okay.
What?
No.
Why?
It will be very fast.
What is it?
The washing machine. I need to lift it because I'm strong. Smile.
They have May, Ryan,
This guy's a mother's boy, guys. You can tell.
Vizió. Wait, why am I not taking poke?
Can I go high? Smile. I go high.
Jump. Sorry.
Yeah, I got high.
Oh no, I was.
There's a long rotation behind them.
Wait, long rotation?
Yeah, they're going to right.
Yeah.
I'm just taking some damage for Nano. Oh, that's
I
unfortunate.
tried to shield the fire strike. Sorry.
Okay, I'm high.
No,
Okay, let's just wait.
Reset. We reset.
I got a flashed.
They maybe push us.
They are.
Yeah.
Run for your life.
should we swap the bricks on Mercy, maybe?
Pick up.
I'm getting frozen. Thank you.
No.
Oh,
Big
the
anti.
boop. Oh, the huge anti. I
Runs one.
was getting booped so much. Yeah, we haven't done
Azraq, go back and swap.
for ults.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Touch my leg, coach.
Because you can fly to
Maybe
Pihkal.
so.
I'm hurt.
From the Sombra? Or what?
Up to you.
I'm going high ground.
How about
Probably have
rushed, bro?
window
How
right.
far Vizió boy? Oh.
No.
That's okay.
Help healers, help support.
Not bad.
No, we're fine. Oh,
Up,
we're
up,
not
up.
fine.
No, we're not.
Ah, frozen.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay.
My bad.
Just cool, just
I'm on the
cool.
map, nice.
I got a peck.
Nice, on May. Nice,
Oh,
Ryan.
Cree right, get this. We get it. Call target.
Diva.
Diva.
Sarah.
There are two people left.
Wait. Oh, wait.
I know how I.
Dude, step bro, just
One.
fuck crap.
Nice.
That's illegal.
Dude, that's illegal.
I thought he was main, so I was trying to body block, but he was top left.
So we'll have window, diva bomb, shatter, plus two.
Is he low? Oh, yeah, he's low. Fuck, we can
Yeah,
kill him.
Or your ult.
I don't primal here.
No, they are
wait,
one.
we
That's
gotta
what
do-
you meant.
Oh,
Shit.
that's fine. We can just lose this. Right. They used everything.
Shut
I was
up.
gonna dip the fuck out of that one.
Window.
Yeah.
They used pre-ults early that they didn't even need to use.
We'll have
Yeah,
diva bomb, high noon, plus the beat. Like 70 on beat, I'd say.
If my graph gets eaten, I will leave instantly. I'm telling you.
Okay. I'm gonna go top left.
They're holding close.
Chillin'.
Maps one.
So what's the plan?
Any
Back
bubble?
up?
Got him.
Nice.
Nice.
Keep going.
Yeah, Cree.
Quick.
Do something. I don't care what.
Yo.
No lamp.
Nice. Alright, we should win. Don't
I'm
use it
burning.
more.
What the fuck
You
is this
should
shit, man?
Ryan's one as well.
Passy.
Do the next.
Can you go payload? So I go high ground.
Why
Go.
me, of all people?
So I go high ground. Oh, you're not on D, right?
No, Tracer
My bad.
was just failed, I think. in this-
Yeah, I thought you was on Diva for some reason.
And there's dash pick on their end.
Widow, Vince, Widow. Big couple.
Ah, never mind the widow. Okay, it's a little bitch, isn't it?
I'm gonna play top right. Oh, can you both me top right?
Yeah, we go.
Wait. We split.
In a row.
Vince, take
From,
Haggard. Good. I'm on payload. I'm on
okay, Vince,
payload.
Haggard.
Don't worry about it.
I got you.
Ryan.
Hopping with you.
Nice. They did the fucking thing. Oh
I don't
shit.
know why. I took a high by that.
Got him.
Oh, creep below.
3-1. Nice.
Still running.
I'm jumping Anna.
Just keep
Diva
Diva.
spawn.
I got pinned. I die here.
Okay,
Diva's
just
at mech though.
Happens.
Alright. Let's go top left. Just grab them. The Diva should be out mech, actually, so it should be free grab.
Did they use window? I didn't see it.
Yeah, I think so.
Is it it?
Okay, we have
Window, no.
we have Shatter Diva bomb.
We go now. Go now.
Okay, I'm jumping top left. 3, 2, 1, now.
Yeah, backline's grab.
Huge. Lamp.
What's a Widow farm? Main.
Oh,
Oh,
come
one. Oh, that's so unlucky. Nice, we can still win this.
Lucio can die.
You're currently 4.
I got Lucio.
Nice.
Nice.
Lucio,
Widow.
Widow far back.
Krilo.
Widow low.
Let's go. I'm almost back. Nice.
I'm going
Alright,
payload.
outside the contest top right.
I was
Elvins, Ryan high ground.
Fun to drop.
I'm jumping Cree on our Tracer.
Let's try to force him to drop
Wait,
us.
slow down and we set up. We need to set
Win a
up.
flash is one. Nice. I'm dropping.
Yeah, he said.
Hello?
Can we set up
One.
Oh my bad.
Ash high ground?
I'm dead. I'm jumping.
Nice. Winnable. Bad one.
Baby one. Baby dead.
Guys, I think there's
Win
an
it,
outbreak.
win it.
Contact.
Would have been.
I
Got her.
Nice.
Nice one, that's the one. Alright, you good? Or
Freeze top right. Top right.
should I pulse?
No.
Thank you.
Okay, no.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
She.
We have Hanzo now. We'll have Bap, High Noon, Shatter, and close to beat.
I can go point.
Guess all
Bubbling?
we do. Just not a monkey.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I can't see them, man.
Nano monkey
Up
versus
one.
me.
The lamp.
Big
Nice,
plant,
nice stick.
Which one?
Look, Diva.
I'm
Sorry, man, sorry.
No, it's a Tracer. She comes back quick.
I'll keep my eyes.
I'm gonna do something stupid here. Be ready to jump in.
And Spazy says that, you know, it's about to get far.
Oh, wait, let me nade it. Spazy.
I'm gonna throw Bob very early, like bind them.
I'm going high ground.
You can do it now, Spazy.
No, I'm gonna nade for E2.
I'm back.
So big.
They
I'm
have
on
a
the back, I'm on the back.
Runs one.
Baby, Diva.
Leave Diva last now. That's not staggering, just killing her last.
She.
Wait, that's not staggering, right? Am I stupid?
No, it's
Oh,
fine.
Oh, my bad. My movement is
Oh, monkey.
Oh, I thought I'd help you, but I didn't. Humongous. I'm very low. Oh,
Not down.
Block shadow.
up dead.
That's
Nice.
unfortunate.
I'm victory.
just a bit of cooldowns and then
They
we
use field.
reset.
They use field to go.
Yeah.
Are we swapping?
We'll have Diva bomb, Hanzo.
Wait, are we swapping?
No.
No.
And we switch back to Anna. Oh, we have Varisa as well, but
Interesting.
Interesting.
Answers
Can't we
low.
just run over them then?
I was gonna bomb
Yeah,
him.
basically.
Jump the back
maybe
line.
go
They
right
don't
side.
have-
We go right side.
Late call.
Chris, one,
We already in now.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go now.
There's Hanzo's right side.
McCree dead. Oh, I'm
Where's the one?
Nice.
Nice.
Bubble on the left. Oh, they're
Alright.
not.
Nice.
Thank you for the point.